Hey, how are you doing? I'm very excited today because today we have received the P30 Pro, which we're going to unbox in a minute. But let's just see what it was like first to receive it. Hello. Oh, hello. Yeah, sir, yeah, thank you. You signed for it, yeah?
Thank you. That lady helped me to get it. I understand the entrance is there, isn't it?
That's right, yeah.
Me, I just came straight to the gate.
Yeah, you got to press the button.
At the front, eh?
Yeah.
All right.
You go again.
Yeah, next time, yeah. Yes, I haven't been here before.
All right, okay.
Yeah.
All right, thanks a lot.
You're most welcome.
Cheers.
But I should thank her. She let me know.
Sorry, mate.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. As you can see, I was very excited. So now I'm upgrading from a S7 to a P30 Pro, so there's going to be a massive difference and I can't wait to start the unboxing. Let's go straight to it. Okay, this is the box that it came in. We'll just open it now to see what's inside. And it says the company I bought it off. This company, Metrophone, did do a good deal for me. Give me £203 cash back, which was really good. So we'll take the actual phone out. Okay. Now we're on the proper unboxing now of the Huawei P30 Pro with quad camera. So we'll just open it now with the extremely sharp knife. Okay, the first thing we are greeted with is the phone. So we'll pull that out. We'll look what's in the actual box first. So that's the phone tray. So we'll discard that, don't need that. This is the instructions, it looks like. Warranty card and instructions, quick start guide, warranty card. Cool, so we'll get rid of them. And as you can see, we have the SIM card extractor. Yes, we'll put that to one side for now as well. In the box, we have the 40-watt supercharger that comes with it. This is able to charge the P30 Pro from absolutely flat to 70% battery within 30 minutes. I don't know why they say 70%. Why can't they tell me what 100% battery is going to be? But apparently it's the fastest charger on the market. And it is a USB Type-C reversible charger. So this is the reversible charger that comes with it. And the cable is about, I would like to say, about 1 meter long. So yes, that is that. So we'll put that to one side for now. Okay, we'll unbox this now. This is the free earphones that come with it with the USB Type-C connection. I'll put that to one side. Okay, now for the main event. Let's put this, actually, let's see if anything else comes with it underneath. Ah, no protective screen with this one. That's a shame. Okay, I'll put that to one side. Right, so this is the phone. We'll take this covering off. Let's have a little look at it. Oh yes. Oh, okay. First thing that strikes me about this, it is gorgeous colour. Look at that. It is called the breathing crystal colour. It starts off sort of a purpley colour, then fades into an iridescent sort of blue colour. We'll leave it on this side so I can talk about the cameras. So the main camera is a 40 megapixel normal camera with aperture size of f1.6 with a focal length of 27 millimeters, sensor size 1/1.7 inch, pixel size 1. The hardware features of this camera has optical image stabilization, phase detection, autofocus. The secondary camera is 8 megapixels, has an optical zoom of ×5, and it uses telephoto technology. The third camera is the 20 megapixel ultra wide phase detection autofocus camera. It is an aperture size of f2.2 and a focal length of 16 millimeters. This one here is the time of flight sensor. Now it does say it's a 4 camera setup, but that's more of a sensor than a camera. What it does, it works in augmented reality to help place things better in 3D space, and also helps with portrait mode for the blurring effect around the main subject. So that's pretty cool. The whole handset itself is water and dust resistant. It has biometrics as a 2D face unlock in the screen and also in-screen fingerprint. So we'll talk about the side of the phone. This is the up and down volume rocker, and the power button has a little notch with an orange bit cut out on it, and you can feel it with your finger. That's pretty cool. We'll turn it around now. We can now see the main speaker and the USB-C connector with also the dual SIM tray slot for the SIM card and for the expanded memory. The battery capacity is 4200 mAh, which is the biggest battery in a smartphone so far, so that's pretty cool. Look at that colour. Jesus, look at that colour. It's so beautiful. Anyway, we'll turn it on and see what happens. I do like the way the edge looks on the phone, how it kind of like bends around to the end. That is pretty cool. We have a little, like a log-on sound, EMU. So we'll say, okay, getting started. United Kingdom. I agree. Who reads this stuff? You know what I mean? Insert the SIM. We just need to take a little break in the video while I sort out my cloning my phone from my old phone to this phone. And I'm back with the P30 Pro. And I've had a whole night's sleep and I'm feeling refreshed. The phone's over, still 50% battery. We'll check the face unlock. Locked, look at the face. Cool. So that's pretty quick. Okay, we'll just quickly check the fingerprint scanner. See how quick that is. Straight in, and again, straight in. I would say the screen movement is very snappy and responsive to touch. Now these gestures are pretty cool because you can pull it down like this and you can search for anything on the phone, contacts or apps, things like that. These things on the bottom are completely customizable. You can have them any order you want. You can have an extra one as well if you want, or you can get rid of them completely and you can then have complete gesture control. So that's good. Also, a little known feature are the knuckle controls. Just tap the screen twice with your knuckle and that's how you take a screenshot. Easy as that. This is for the sound test. It is on full volume. We'll just see what it sounds like. I would say it is pretty loud, very crisp audio. The bass level is good, but the mid and the highs are a lot crisper and better and it's very loud. We'll now check out a high definition video. As you can see, it looks pretty good, very colourful, and you can zoom right in so it fills the whole screen. You can notice the notch there, but after a while you don't really notice it, so that's pretty good. The camera has lots of different modes. Aperture, two things close together. Night mode, portrait mode, photo, video, pro mode and more. Kind of got like macro, super macro, slow motion, AR lens, things like that. The photo does have AI enabled. It's meant to be able to tell what sort of picture you're trying to take. But as you can see, I don't know if you can see that over there. There's Vault Voice just standing nicely in front of the green screen. We'll zoom in. Vault Voice from 4.4 and we'll see what it looks like. So that's ×3, ×5 now. We're now ×5 zoom. And if I say cheese, and we can even go even further to 10 times zoom. Cheese! The camera on this thing is meant to be the best camera on any smartphone. Time will tell as I do more tests on the phone. And now we're going to go into some pictures and some video that I've taken with the phone. Just before the pictures and the video come on, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching. Please check out the link in the description below to see one of these on Amazon. It was about $8.99 in pounds, about $1,000 or euros. But maybe by the time you're watching this video, the prices have gone down, so it might be worth checking out for a discount or a sale. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so already and click the like button and share the video. Comment what you think of the phone below. So remember, stay 100% real. Stay 100% Jim. I will show you some cool close-up macro shots at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. But this is just walking around testing out the video stabilization, and also this is the unedited audio footage of what the microphone sounds like. I'm now walking up the stairs. Hopefully you can see the image stabilization in action. Almost at the place where all the action happens, the bedroom. And there's my little geek corner, sort of kind of thing that I do all my editing and creative stuff with, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, let me know what you think, and now I'm going to show you some cool photos that I've taken with the phone.